Hey there friends, good morning. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and tell you what you're about to see. So as you guys know, we bought a new bed, a king size bed, and while yesterday was setup day, so Eric of course was like, well, do you want to pick up the camera and do you want to vlog? And I vlogged it even though I wasn't vlogging yesterday, and it turns out us goofing around with this bed and celebrating our bed was enough footage to create a little vlog for you guys because we're weirdos like that. So if you've missed seeing my husband, you'll see plenty of him on this vlog, and this is just our we got a new bed happy Friday vlog. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is happening. And it is happening much quicker than I thought. This is our new, probably temporary, king-size bed frame. That was from Overstock.com.
Because I'm cheap.
Because Eric is cheap. There's my hero, who's taking his Friday and building the bed the day we got the mattress. And that is, for comparison, Eric, how tall are you?
5'9.5".
He's 5'9.5". That's how big the box is. Hits him mid-chest. It comes compressed. There's a king-size mattress in there. King size. With a pillow top. We're gonna see how this goes.
Out of here.
Yes, I have to go dog wrangle. Hold please. Alright, well the box is on the bed. That's a good start. Are you just gonna dismantle the box?
Yep. Because that box is a lot easier to move.
And you're just gonna roll the mattress around to get it off? Oh, and this is why my husband is brilliant. He has managed to do this without any help.
And how much is this thing supposed to be?
I think it weighs 165 pounds.
Yeah, I'm not lifting 165 pounds without handholds, so we...
Yeah, so the mattress actually has handles on it, but we just have no way to get to the handles because it's shrink wrapped. Look at that. Look at that professionalism. You are so good.
Yeah.
We probably have to pull the weight, right? Can I help? Remember, only do the white.
Yes, but I can't even cut the white, right?
You can cut it, yeah. Just make sure you just cut the white. Meanwhile, whining outside our bedroom door. What's funny is normally she wouldn't be this upset, but she knows she's missing something. Oh my word, that one's sticking up.
Oh.
Can I help now? When you said the adhesive, you mean there's adhesive on each side of these?
No, I mean, yes, that too.
Okay.
There's Velcro there.
Oh, okay. Velcro, we went high end. Can I please help you? Success! Part
Kinda.
1. It started to make that whooshing noise.
Yeah, it wasn't sealed.
Before, so as you unroll it, which I think in the unboxing video that I found, the same thing kind of happened. So be ready to move quick. But thankfully we did. And the white plastic is now on the floor, and now we have to cut the rest of the plastic off.
All right.
And then we let the thing inflate. It will be mostly inflated within the next half an hour, or we can lay on it in the next half an hour. It'll be ready to sleep on in about an hour, in a couple of hours, according to what I read online. We got the king size avocado mattress with the additional pillow topper, which is supposed to add some softness to it, because otherwise it's a pretty firm mattress. So, here's hoping. To celebrate the occasion of our new bed, date night became sushi for me, because I love sushi, and Chipotle for my husband. In case you were wondering, yes, that is a mixing bowl. And yes, that is the amount of food that is in one Chipotle burrito bowl, plus a little bit of lettuce.
Handful of lettuce.
Yeah, well, he added some extra lettuce, but when we bring Chipotle home, you always use this bowl. Like, it's always a bowl full of food.
Yes. If you want to be surprised, empty your Chipotle into a mixing bowl.
Gracie's beside herself because of what just went down. And we are about to watch Spider-Man, I think. Spider-Man Homecoming, which is one of the newest Spider-Mans, if not the newest one. Date night at its best, my friends.
Yeah.
Here it is, all inflated. It's pretty firm. I'm looking forward to seeing how comfortable it is. We shall see.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Trying to dramatically zoom in quick. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, my husband. I'm putting on the mattress protector, then we're gonna put on our new sheets, and we are going to have a good night's sleep tonight. Hopefully. Hopefully this solves all of the problems. Thanks for making the bed, babe.
This one's a lot easier than the old stupid.
Oh, that's true. I might be able to do this myself. Not efficiently, but at least I can try.
It's still bed building day. Everything's a mess. Deal.
That's what you have to say for our countertop?
Yes.
Everything's a disaster.
What is this?
Silicone straws with straw cleaners.
Why?
Because I've been drinking smoothies a lot lately and those straws are awful.
The ones that you got?
Yeah. I can't clean them.
Then throw them away.
Oh no, not those. I've been trying to be good and use reusable ones.
Oh.
So I bought a set of pretty colorful ones from Amazon. And they come with brush cleaners, and by brush cleaners I mean straw cleaning brushes. And
I don't know how to open
I was gonna say, and let's watch my genius of a husband who just built a bed all by himself in under 2 hours not figure out how to open an Amazon package. Oh, I love you.
To be fair, she's the one who spends the money.
To be fair, what does that have to do with anything?
I don't give packages. I don't know what to do with packages.
Oh, that's what you have to say about it?
No, that's a terrible excuse.
Yeah, it really is. It's green wrapping paper. Oh, it comes in a little carrying case. You know, in case you have to carry your straws around.
Don't spend your money on crap like this. Spend it on good things that do good in the community.
So the link won't be down below, huh?
Put that on the box.
Anyway, I started recording because it is in fact date night and we have cause to celebrate. We have a new bed. Hallelujah. The Hallelujah chorus is playing in my head over and over again. We're gonna bust out. Remember when I talked about those Weight Watchers friendly wines that aren't even endorsed by Weight Watchers, the lower sugar, super clean wines? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will pop the blog that I talk about it right up here. This is bottle number 2 and it's sparkling. And while dear hubby of mine does not like wine as a general rule, for whatever reason, if you add bubbles to it, he thinks it's the best thing ever. So we're gonna pop our rosé bubbly.
Are you gonna drink it with a straw?
No, but I'm waiting for the sex joke. As you were flopping that thing around.
And Brie will drink her champagne from a purple silicone straw.
Let me see them.
Link down below.
Link down. So here's what I got. Seriously though, in all seriousness, I got these, but these are huge. Look at that.
That's what she said.
There it is. They're smoothie straws, they're silicone, and they come with little brushes, and I've been struggling with getting those straws that I've been using for my Fab 4 smoothies clean. So I've been wanting reusable straws for a while that come with brushes. So there we go. And I can use a different color straw every day.
All right, mess or no mess?
Oh, please no mess. We've had to clean up enough messes today. Whee! Give Gracie the thing. She's like, what is that? No, you don't like it, Gracie? You don't like the cork? Come on. I know.
That's good. You're too young for alcohol.
She's like, but it smells funny, guys. It smells funny. She's
What do you want?
My wine glass. We never use those. I need to make sure I use them. We've had them for almost 5 years. Gracie's convinced there's something in it for her. You goober. It's pretty and pink. I approve.
I poured way too fast.
You wanna try it?
No? Okay.
I got it. I can do it.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's nice. It's pink, but it's not too sweet.
It's not that sweet.
No.
Actually,
It's not-
make it a little sweeter.
Yeah? It's not going to be because it's reduced sugar wine, remember?
Oh. Well, that explains.
Did you not hear me just tell them about this? Remember that wine that I was vlogging about earlier?
I knew it was
Shows how much he listens to
I
me.
knew it was something.
Something, something.
I knew it was special.
You're special.
Thanks.
Well, we are an hour and a half into our Spider-Man movie, and just when we thought it was over, we learned we still have 40 freaking minutes left. So we're going to get back to our Spider-Man movie.